Do you know how to learn the tables? It is very difficult process sometimes for some children to learn the tables. It takes so much time. So today I will teach you some easy ways to how to learn a table. We will learn the table of 5 first. You can see here the table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25. 5 6 are 30, 5 7 are 35, 5 8 are 40, 5 9 are 45, 5 10 are 50. It's so easy, isn't it? Now I'll teach you the easy way. The tables are nothing but just multiplication. Multiplication means just to add more to a value. So the table of 5 will add 5 for each value of 5. I will show you how to add, and it will make easy to understand the tables. Here you can see about multiplication. It is nothing but just addition. You can see here 5 ones are 5 equal to 5. We have nothing to add here. 5 2s are 10, which is equal to 10. We are adding 5 to another 5. Then I get 10. So you can understand about multiplication, which is nothing but addition. 5, when I add 5 to 5, it's like 5 2s are 5 2 times, which then I get the value of 10. Same here, 4 5 3s are, which is 15. We add 5 3 times, then I get 15. 5 5 5. It's 3 times. 5 3s are 15. Same for 5 was 20. 5 5 5 4 times, then I get 20. So you understand what is the table of 5. So it's so easy to understand. So if you keep on adding the values for the table of 5 until 10, you get the value, the exact value which you want. So I will understand what the multiplication of the tables is nothing but addition. So if you understand, just like my video and subscribe my channel. And if you want, I will add more ideas about how to learn the tables very easily. So please comment and let me know. Thank you guys.